Hello everybody, so today we're going to do a little numeracy activity, and our numeracy activity has a learning goal today of focusing on place value, in particular using the language of tens and ones. So we are going to be exploring how numbers are made up, and we're going to be using a few resources, not too many, and I'm going to be giving you some ideas of things you could use around your house, maybe in your kitchen, maybe in your toy room, okay? So I will take you through the little activity, and we'll be looking at numbers within 100 today and how they are made up. And the most important thing that we have to remember is we have to use the correct language. So tens and ones, not tens and units, tens and ones, okay? Okay, so here you can see I have my little post-its. So I have my tens, and I've underlined my T for tens, and I have my ones on my other post-it, and I've underlined my O because this is like my little place value chart here. Okay, then in this little pot I have more post-its, and I've just got a mixture of numbers written on the post-its. As you can see, 35, 14, 95, and all of those numbers are within 100. Okay, so you choose whatever numbers you want, but as long as they're within 100 or within 50 or within 30, whatever you're happiest with. And the first thing I did was I then went and I got my resources. So I had some little cubes that I brought home with me from school, and some little bears and some markers, but you mightn't have these things at home, and that's fine. So you could use maybe some little small toys that you have in your playroom. You could maybe use some cereal from your cereal box in your kitchen. Let's see what you can come up with yourself, who can be the most creative. Alright, so very simple. I'm just going to take out my first number. My first number is 35. So I'm just going to put it down here to remind myself, 35. I then, to help me understand how this number is made up, I go to my tens side first, which is the left hand side, and there are 3 tens that are within 35. So here you can see I have made 3 little cube trains, and I call them my little trains because in my trains I have 10 cubes, because this is one group of 10, another group of 10, and another group of 10. So I have 1, 2, 3 groups of 10, and there are 3 groups of 10 in 30. But this number isn't 30, it is 35, and in our ones column of our place value chart, we have the number 5. So here you can see I've separated out 5 little cubes to represent 5 ones. So I have my 3 groups of 10 and my 5 ones. They make the number 35. 3 groups of 10 and 5 ones makes the number 35. That's the full sentence that you need to be using at home. 3 groups of 10 and 5 ones make the number 35. Okay? Then we'll just put that to the side, and we'll try another different number. So I've chose the number 6. The number 6 doesn't have any tens, it is on its own. It is just made up of 6 little ones. 6 little ones. So again, you don't have to use your cubes. You can use something else. So I'm going to use my little bears. I'm just going to take out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the number 6 is represented with 6 ones. There are no tens in this number, just 6 ones. Okay? Then we'll go again, and we'll look at a different number. Here we have the number 14. Let's see if we can make the number 14. So the number 14 is made up of one group of 10. Let's get our cube train ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's my little train. And I call it a train because the train stays together. So it's one big grip tight together. And the ones are separated. So I need now 4 little ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 little ones. And that makes a number 14. Okay? So, again, you can continue this activity exactly like I have showed you to do, and you can vary your numbers. So let's look, the next number would be 95. So, how many groups of 10? 9 groups of 10. We need 9 cube trains on the 10 side. How many ones? 5 ones. We need 5 little ones on our ones side. And this really helps your child understand place value. So I want you to challenge yourself now at home to do exactly what Miss McGrogan has done here on the table, and you trying to build your own numbers.